how to manage time and avoid stress. Welcome to the Tree of Transformation, where we focus on growth, balance, and becoming your best self. Today, we're talking about time management, but not in the usual way. This isn't about cramming more tasks into your day or obsessing over productivity. This is about something deeper. Creating a life that feels peaceful, purposeful, and aligned with who you are. Because here's the truth. Time itself isn't stressful. It's how we use it that makes us feel either calm and in control or overwhelmed and exhausted. So, if you've ever felt like there's never enough time, like you're constantly rushing, but never really getting anywhere, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have simple, powerful tools to reclaim your time, reduce stress, and live with more ease. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and comment below. What's your biggest time management struggle? Let's grow together. All right, take a deep breath. And let's begin. Why time feels out of control. Why does time feel so stressful? Why do we feel like we never have enough of it? Here are 3 common reasons. The rush mentality, always feeling behind. Ever wake up and immediately feel rushed. You're checking your phone, responding to emails, thinking about all the things you should be doing. Here's the problem. When you start your day in reactive mode, you feel out of control, like time is running you instead of the other way around. Solution: start your day intentionally. Even 5 minutes of quiet time, whether it's deep breathing, stretching, or journaling, helps you set the tone for the day. The too much trap, overcommitting. We often say yes to too many things. Work projects, social events, random obligations. But when you overcommit, you create a life that feels rushed and exhausting. Learn to say no to things that don't truly align with your priorities. The busy versus productive illusion. Being busy isn't the same as being productive. You can spend hours doing things that feel urgent, but don't actually move your life forward. Focus on high-impact tasks, the things that truly matter. And that brings us to our next section. Powerful time management strategies. Now that we understand why time feels out of control, let's talk about how to fix it. Here are 6 game-changing strategies to help you manage time without stress. The Big 3 rule: prioritize what truly matters. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a huge to-do list, every morning ask, what are the 3 most important things I need to accomplish today? By focusing on 3 high-impact tasks, you eliminate the feeling of never doing enough. The 2-minute rule: stop procrastinating. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Why? Because small tasks pile up and create mental clutter. Example: responding to an email, putting dishes away, or scheduling an appointment all take less time than we think. The 80-20 rule: work smarter, not harder. Did you know that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts? Ask yourself, what are the tasks that make the biggest difference? What can I eliminate, delegate, or simplify? Less, but better. That's the key. Time blocking. Structure your day. Instead of randomly doing tasks throughout the day, try time blocking. 9 to 11 a.m., focused work, deep tasks, no distractions. 11 to 12 p.m., emails and messages. 12 to 1 p.m., lunch and recharge. 1 to 3 p.m., meetings or creative work. When you assign tasks to specific time slots, you avoid feeling scattered and overwhelmed. The no distraction zone. Protect your focus. Your biggest time thief? Distractions. Try this. Put your phone in another room while working. Use the Do Not Disturb mode. Set a timer for focused work sessions, like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Time management is really about attention management. Create white space. Build in rest time. Not every minute of your day needs to be scheduled. White space equals breathing room. Take breaks. Go for a short walk. Let yourself slow down. Because a well-rested mind is a productive mind. Staying consistent and building long-term habits. Time management isn't a one-time fix. It's a lifestyle. Here's how to make it stick. Weekly reflection. Every Sunday, ask, what worked this week? What can I improve? Morning planning. Spend 5 minutes setting your top priorities for the day. Time boundaries. Set clear start and stop times for work to avoid burnout. Remember, small daily habits equals long-term transformation. Time is your most valuable resource. It's not about having more of it, it's about using it wisely. You have the power to create a life that feels balanced, fulfilling, and stress-free. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the Tree of Transformation, and comment below. What's one time management tip you're going to try this week? Let's support each other in this journey. Stay present, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.